Let's get into section 1 where we focus on patterns. As we think about patterns, there are several vital vocabulary terms that students need to be responsible for in order to understand what we're talking about around patterns. So here are some of the important terms. I will read the terms, and I'd like you to think about whether your students know these terms or whether these would be terms that would be ripe for instruction. So let's start at the top. Coordinate plane, equation, expression, function, function table, input variable, ordered pair. As we continue, students should know origin, output variable, quadrant, x-axis, and y-axis. Now those are several terms that students need to know, and one of the resources that we've created with the Kansas Math Project are vocabulary cards to help students with understanding these terms and using these terms regularly. So these are just 2 examples of some of the vocabulary cards that are available for a free download from the Kansas Math Project. And I hope you will check out these vocabulary cards, and maybe you will even create a word wall in your classroom so that students always have these terms top of mind. Now I'd like you to push pause and think about the language that's important for patterns. What are some of the strategies that you currently use to teach math vocabulary? And I'd also like you to think about how do you monitor students' vocabulary knowledge. Go ahead and think about those questions, and I'll see you on the flip side.